when my father would always bring me to a basketball game, I realized the importance of fatherhood. And when my mother would always care for us and cook good food for us, napaka-importante po ng yung isang ina. So yung importansya po ng pamilya, napaka-importante para sa akin. Isa pong nag-impluwensya po sa akin ay yung pagkamatay ng aking kapatid. She died when she was 10 years old. She was murdered. And so, that was a very abnormal time. That was in 1982. So,
how old were you then?
I was 13. And it influenced me because it was traumatic for the whole family. Ngayon po na tumatakbo ako bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. It's very difficult. I have been thrusted in the national political scene at this election, very important year in Philippine politics. And it's a heavy cross. But to introduce a different kind of politics to a nation that seems to be mesmerized or hypnotized by traditional or padrino politics, that is a challenge. I seem to be a prophet because what we're introducing is a prophetic politics of personal and social transformation. Ang sinasabi po namin, ang lipunan should set standards. At may kaibahan po yung sasabihin nating mahirap abutin yan, kaya wag na natin gawin, like abolishing gambling or wedding. Pero sa kabilang banda, dapat natin sabihin na mahirap yan at hindi po natin sinasabing malinis tayo, pero magtulungan tayo para sugpuin yung mga hindi karapat-dapat sa lipunan. So I would opt for the second one. We are committed to destroy socially reprehensible realities in our politics today. Number one po, all over the country, and I've gone all over the country, yung political dynasties, which is very prevalent in Mindanao. Local governments have been privatized. And in our constitution, nakalagay, the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities and shall prohibit political dynasties as may be provided by law. But up to now, after 24 years, wala hong nagawa yung major political parties and the leading politicians. They have not committed to the Constitution. Kaya ho, isa yon. Isa pa po, yung pork barrel system. Nagiging padrino yung congressman or senator with 270 million a year yung senator, tapos yung congressman ho, I think 70 million a year. Tapos he decides saan ilalagay yung perang yon. Tapos syempre linalagay niya yung perang yun kung saan nagiging padrino siya. Yung pangatlo po yung pagkalat ang dami-daming baril. Now, these all are moral problems. We are sick as a nation. So, it is a moral problem. It requires a moral solution. But the moral solution requires spiritual conversion. Kaya ho, we are introducing the prophetic politics of personal and social transformation. Kami po, hindi naman sinasabi nyo, malilinis kami, we're self-righteous. Lahat tayo makasalanan, lahat tayo ang gumawa ng ating bansa. Pero we have to set the standards of the Lord. Alangan naman, mag-give up na lang tayo. We have to fight, considering we are a predominantly Christian nation. We cannot give up. And idealism is good because it makes you fight for the standards of the Lord. Graft and corruption po. Yung kabulukan natin, lumalabas lang sa lipunan. And so, again, it is a moral problem. There are many ways of solving it. And we thought of the details like putting CCTV cameras, more CCTV cameras in the bureaucracy, in offices, para bago pa man magawa yung akto, alam niyang sinusubaybayan siya. hindi na niya gagawin dahil mahirap kung nagawa na niya, yumaman na siya, at saka yung justice system natin, napakabagal. Maliban po doon, we propose anti-graft and corruption councils in the local level. Aside from that, we have to strengthen the barangay justice system. But the most important feature in fighting graft and corruption is introducing to the country responsible and accountable political parties. Ang pinaka-importante po dito, yung partido maging salaan. Kumbaga, a community of people committed to the principles of God na mag-uumpisa sa political party. So, a political party that disciplines its members and candidates by removing them pag gumagawa ng katiwalian, at yung kandidato lahat tumatalima or they adhere to principles and platform. That's the best solution po.